In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send private messages in Slack. Private messages in Slack are called direct messages or DMs, and they're useful when you need to speak with a specific coworker outside of a public or private channel. This is a good option for one-on-one communication, quick follow-ups, or sharing information that doesn't belong in a larger group conversation. In Slack, these messages are encrypted in transit, which helps keep your communication secure while it's being sent. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your workspace using a web browser. Once you're inside Slack, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find your main navigation options, including channels and your direct messages section. Find the area labeled Direct Messages. From there, click the New Message button. Depending on your version of Slack, this may appear as a square with a pencil icon. In some layouts, you can also use the DMs icon on the far left dock. If you want a faster option, you can open a fresh private message from almost anywhere in Slack by pressing Control and N on Windows or Command and N on Mac. After that, a new conversation window will open in the main part of the screen. Your cursor should automatically appear in the To field. This is where you choose who will receive your message. Start typing the person's name, username, or work email address. As you type, Slack will filter the company directory and show matching results underneath. When you see the right person, click their profile entry to add them as the recipient. If you need to create a private group conversation instead of a one-on-one chat, you can continue adding more people in the same To field. Just keep typing the next teammate's name and select them from the filtered list. Slack allows you to create a group direct message with up to 8 participants, which is helpful when a conversation needs to stay private but still include a small team. Once your recipient or recipients are added, move down to the message box at the bottom of the conversation window. Click into that field and type your message. If needed, you can also drag and drop files directly into the text box to share them privately. Before sending, take a quick moment to review your message and make sure it's going to the intended private chat. When you're ready, click the Send button, which looks like a paper airplane on the right side of the message box, or simply press enter on your keyboard to send it immediately. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.